Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a crayon. So, to start off with our crayon, I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes at a diagonal like this. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another diagonal line that goes right up here like this. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves from here to here. And then I'm going to draw another line that just curves from here to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at a diagonal. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes at a diagonal, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space right there. Then right here, I'm just going to connect these with a little curve. And then I'm going to draw another little curve line right here. Then right here, I'm just going to connect these lines with a curve. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down here. And a line that just goes up a little bit right there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves right here. And then I'm going to do another curved line right here towards the end. Then I'm going to draw another curved line here, and then one more right here that's kind of close to it. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw one curved line here, and then another curved line right here. Now, in the center of this, I want to draw an oval. So I'm just going to draw a nice skinny oval right in the center of my crayon. And there you go. There is your drawing of a crayon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.